catcher Landon Albers with his first pitch. And that's going to go past the catcher for ball number 1, Landon Albers. Seven-run advantage for the Salamanders. And second pitch for Albers gets in there for a strike. So while he's collecting his thoughts, Chris Giordano, his inning and his time is done. On the 1-1, swing and a miss, strike 2. Giordano's final stats through 3 innings: 2 hits, 1 run, 1 error, 2 walks, 3 strikeouts through 13 batters faced. And Landon Albers becomes the 3rd pitcher tonight for the Salamanders. The 1-2. And he goes down. First strikeout for Albers on his first batter. Townsend going down here in the 8th inning. 1 away for the Salamanders. As I believe the rain is starting to come down, if I'm not mistaken. And Dylan DeYoung back up for his 3rd at-bat, takes 1-0 to start. As the rain is coming down here in Holly Springs. A little cool mist, never hurt anybody. And the second pitch called strike 1, 1-1 for DeYoung. Albers 1-1. Almost took that one. Swing, thought about it, but did not. So that becomes ball 2, 2-1. Albers to DeYoung. 1 out away here in the top of the 8th. The pitch, swing and a miss, strike 2, 2-2. DeYoung struck out in his last at-bat, had a ground out in his first at-bat, looking to get on base for the first time tonight. The 2-2 to DeYoung. And he does not. He's going to go down for his 2nd time tonight. And that is going to be a 2nd strikeout for Albers. And Sean Cherry now back to the plate for his 4th time tonight. Had a single in this game back in the 1st inning, but since then, 0 for 2. Cherry looking to change that here. First pitch in the dirt for Albers, 1-0 on the count to Cherry, but 2 away here in the top of the 8th for the Salamanders. 10-3 lead over the Coconuts of Yorktown. Cherry chops that one and goes slicing foul. Hits the little thud there. One heard that where that ball hit. 1-1 for Cherry. Two-one count now for Cherry. Albers 2 strikeouts to start his debut here. Working on Sean Cherry, the 2-1 by Albers. Swing and a miss. 2-2 the count. Can he make it 3 strikeouts in his first 3 batters, going 1-2-3? Albers attempting to do that with this next pitch. The 2-2 to Cherry. Slicing his way behind home plate, the ball goes and Cherry stays alive. Top of the 8th. 10-3 Salamanders, 2 outs away here at Ting Stadium. Good night for the Salamanders. 10 runs aboard, 7-run advantage. The 2-2 once again. Make that 3-2 full count now for Cherry. That one just a little low. And Albers looking for his 3rd strikeout in a row here in the 8th inning. Would be quite a start. The 3-2. There it is. 3 straight strikeouts for Landon Albers to begin and end the top of the 8th for the Salamanders. And we go to the bottom of the 8th. Your scores: Salamanders 10, Coconuts 3. We start the top of the 9th inning as Landon Albers continues his closing it out now for the Salamanders, attempting to close it out tonight. 14-3, your score as he starts the top of the 9th, swing and a miss for Tucker Love. As I mentioned earlier, so that 10-run rule applies through 7 innings. The Salamanders were not up by 10 through 7, and so that is why we are playing the 8th and the 9th innings. So just clarification on that. So 14-3, your score. Manders over the Coconuts here on the top of the 9th. 0-2 for Albers, and he strikes out Tucker Love. We are 1 away here in the top of the 9th. And now batting number 8, Aaron Messi, the first baseman, his 4th time at bat tonight. Macy swing and a miss hard upstairs for an 0-1 count. Albers trying to get his first save and close things out here for the Salamanders. The 0-2 rather. Make that 0-2. Albers, who in the 8th inning struck out 3 batters in a row, has now struck out 4 batters in a row here at the top of the 9th. Consecutively. The 0-2, make that 5 batters in a row, down to the 2nd out for the Salamanders, as struck out swinging is Maxey. And that means the designated hitter, Ahmad Golston, back up for his 4th at bat this evening. The Salamanders are 2 away. 1 strike called there for Golston. He did not swing at that one. Albers, the 0-1 to Golston. Fouled behind the stadium over everybody. 0-2 count now for Albers. And Albers trying to end this one by striking out his 6th batter in a row, if he can do it. The 0-2 by Albers. Way upstairs, ball 1, 1-2. Salamanders are going to go to 2-2, more than likely on the exhibition season. The 1-2 with 2 outs away. There it is! The 6th out in a row for Landon Albers. He gets the close and save for the Salamanders. They win this one 14-3 as Landon Albers, 6 in a row to end the game. What an effort by Albers to kind of put this one on ice for the Salamanders. The Salamanders win tonight over the Yorktown Coconuts by a score